So let's go ahead and shrink the back window on this sedan. I plotted the piece out. I'm going to roll it up and we're going to get it onto the back window. I'm just going to kind of show you my process on how I do my rear window installs. I already wetted the sponge. What I generally like to do is just put a dab here so I can line this up. I really just line the pattern up so I can just make sure that the pattern is good and it fits before I take the time to shrink it. And so I like to put a dab right there because then I can come on this side and I can just line it up just to make sure my pattern is gonna fit good before I go through all the trouble of shrinking it and the pattern is off. So I just like to check it quick before I do the install just to make sure it's clear. So it looks like it's good. So then what I do is I'll get this part laid down here with the H pattern. Come back to this side. Basically adjust here. So basic H pattern. Typically like to use my gray card. I always put the cord around my back so it doesn't rub on the car. And basically just let the heat do the work. Basically, you're just reading the film. You know, I'm just watching the film lay down. I'm not even worried about shrinking or going crazy with a card. Right now, I'm just worried about letting the heat lay the film down. Just getting this glass flat. Sorry, just getting the film flat. I always like to tell people, just take your time. Don't be in a rush. You can see that all you want to do is get that film to lay down. Go ahead and hit it with the card. The flatter you can see that film lay down, then you know it's ready to card. People get creases because they're rushing the process. All it is. And then after a while it just becomes muscle memory. See that film just lay down flat. We'll go over to the other side here. Now that this heat gun is warmed up fully, you can see it just lays that film down. That's what you want. That is what you want. Just take your time, read the film. think a lot of people, they rush to card the film down so quickly without just letting the film rest in its natural state of being shrunk. When you do it this way, when you just really let the heat lay it down, you're not worried about creasing of fingers. Since I'm right-handed, I'll come over to this side and that window is shrunk. I'll weed it out. Be ready to install.